I'm Donald Williams with 3D International. We appreciate you taking the time to stop by. In this segment, we're going to show you how to use 3D Waterless Car Wash. Using just the waterless product and towels to show you how to save time and save money and be able to wash your car inside and outside without using a drop of water. Also can be used as a clay lubricant. Also can be used to create a quick shine on a vehicle. But it is more of an exfoliator, and that would be our waterless car wash. Waterless car wash is an amazing product. It helps with the environment. It's easy on, easy off, can give you a streak-free shine, and is sun-friendly. It's going to give you a great kind of a swirl remover. I'm going to hide a little bit of the scratches that you have on your car. That's because of the lubrications that are put into it to help emulsify and remove the dirt that is in the car. It's much easier to do and use at home than actually pouring out the water and the bucket and the soap and all those things. It's actually much more environmentally friendly and safe for your paint. Even though people think that if you're spraying a chemical on and wiping it down, you can scratch it, what this does is actually lifts the dirt, encapsulates it, and then you wiping it down with a special microfiber towel, and you're all done. Thank you for taking the time to check out 3D's waterless car wash system. When you don't want to grab the hose, the soap bucket, get yourself nice and wet, and clean up your car quick, easy, and being water conscious. We appreciate your time, and please subscribe to our channel to check out and keep up to date with all 3D's newest and latest innovative car care products.